Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this journey today where we are going to show you a case where we're going to be removing chickens that are being illegally hawked here in Philippi. We've been working with the owners or the sellers, the hawkers, for the past 2 months plus, trying to educate them, trying to get them to comply with the law, trying to get them to give the animals water, shelter, and they are simply just not complying. And we now have no other option but to apply for a court order and to remove the animals. And yeah, so we're here with law enforcement today, and yeah, we will be removing the animals. So just follow us, we'll give you a breakdown here as we go. Not buying chickens today.
Why?
Why are you leaving? Is this your chickens?
Yes.
Okay, but why you lie to me then? When you say you want to buy chickens?
I want to give someone who wants to buy.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, these chickens are being kept in cages. There's absolutely no sign of adequate shelter against the weather elements. It's quite hot today here in Cape Town. There's no water. Chickens are being overcrowded. Some of the people are trying to take their animals and run away.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chief Inspector Peter. So we're here in Philippi today. We're here with law enforcement that's just arrived to come and assist us. We've got chicken hawkers here that are non-compliant with the law. The animals don't have shelter. There's no water. There's sick animals being sold here. We've tried to work with the hawkers. We've educated them. We've given them several warnings, and it simply falls on deaf ears. So today we are here with a court order from the Wynberg Magistrates Court, and we're going to be removing these chickens where the owners have not complied. Unfortunately, we cannot keep on begging people to comply with what we request them to do. It's a simple task. Just give the animals shelter, give them water, treat them humanely. And if you can't do that, then unfortunately we have to execute the law. So follow us today. This is a live video, so unfortunately we do not know what's going to happen. If we have to cut it for any reason, just bear with us. But we are going to be removing these chickens today.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you that are joining our live video today, we are currently executing a warrant here in Philippi with regarding illegal hawkers, people selling chickens next to the road. These animals, majority of them do not have protection against the weather elements, no form of any shelter, absolutely no water. We have been trying to work with these people for quite a number of months now, days. We've been issuing warnings, issuing notices. You will see some of the people are currently trying to rectify things. Unfortunately, today is too late. We have been dealing with them for quite some time. Our instructions, our warnings have fell on deaf ears, and we will be confiscating these animals today. Sissy, trying to fix it today is a bit late, ne? You guys had how many times, how many months to fix this? Now you want to fix. Today it's too late. You will see here currently the owners are quickly trying to put water in for them. You can see it's 11:25 now. Now they want to give water to the animals.
But then they come to someone else's stuff. Let it go.
They did not have water. They did not have water, they gave now.
But you can't improve. I know. I know. They will always fight with us.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you that's only joined us now, we are live here in Philippi. There's a hawking site here where the people are hawking chickens. First of all, they don't have a permit from the city of Cape Town. But further to that, our main priority is the welfare of these animals. And majority of these hawkers are not providing the animals with any water, no shelter. Our inspectors have tried to educate them, tried to work with them, and there's only less than a handful of the hawkers that are complying. As you can see here, although there's shelter, there's no water for the animals. This side as well, no water. The inspectors, as you can see here, no water in the cage, empty. All those animals that don't have water, we're going to remove them. We can't keep on talking. We have to somewhere draw the line in the sand and say, we have tried to educate you, we've tried to work with you, and if you don't listen, then unfortunately we're going to have to enforce the law, and we're going to have to remove these animals. A special thank you to the City of Cape Town's law enforcement for always being prompt to assist us when it comes to animal welfare issues. And today they're here in full force to help us. So we will be laying criminal charges against these hawkers in terms of the Animals Protection Act to make sure that this does not reoccur again. And as I said before, we have tried to work with them, we've tried to educate them, we've issued several warnings, and unfortunately they just simply don't comply. We've already loaded quite a large number of chickens in the trailer that side, and they all did not have access to water, no shelter, and it just seems our requests are falling on deaf ears.
Jaco?
There's no water in here. You've given these ones, look how thirsty they are. You've just given these ones water now. Yeah, you've just given these chickens water now. They're thirsty, they're trying to drink. What about the rest of them? No, Buti, You know they must have water all the time. You know that. So why don't you give them water? But there's nowhere. Show me. They don't have water. These ones have a little bit of water and they're trying to drink there because they're thirsty. What about these ones? There's no water here. Nothing. Nothing here. They must have water all the time. All the time. When you're thirsty, you open the tap, drink water. They can't do that. They need to have access to water. And we've spoken to you guys, the inspectors have been here. They've asked you guys so nicely to come. Why is it now that we have to come take the chicken? Is it the only way you're going to learn the lesson then? I don't know. What do you do when you're thirsty? What do you do when you are thirsty? Yes, if you want water, what do you do? You drink the water. Yes. Now how must they drink water if there's no water? So you have to give them water.
Are you having a drink? Yeah, I'm going to start with this guy now. This is the first time I'm shooting. What's that?
Morning, ladies and gentlemen, those of you that are just joining us with our live video. We are currently here in Philippi. We are accompanied by the City of Cape Town's Law Enforcement Department, the Animal Control Unit. And we are here with a court order in terms of the Animals Protection Act. Weekly, our inspectors come to this site, trying to work with the hawkers, trying to educate them on the humane care and treatment of the chickens. And unfortunately, several warnings have been issued that has fallen on deaf ears. The hawkers are simply not complying with what we are requesting from them. And it's quite simple. All we're saying is provide the chickens, 1, with water, 2, with protection against the elements, and 3, treat them humanely. That is all we're asking. And week in, week out, we come here, we work with them, we give them warnings, and they simply do not comply. All of these chickens that we've taken today does not have access to water. And as we arrived, owners started to quickly give them water, so that shows they know that the chickens should be provided with water. Water is a basic need. If a person is thirsty, you simply open the tap, open the fridge, take the water out, drink. Animals can't do that. If they don't have access to water, it means they are being deprived of drinking water. And that is the most basic right for any being. And yeah, we simply cannot keep on begging the hawkers to comply. So now today we're removing the chickens. We will be laying charges in terms of the Animals Protection Act. And hopefully they learn a lesson today. I don't know, I really hope so. But it's not the first time that we're removing chickens here. So today we do it again, and we will just lay more criminal charges and we'll take it from there. If you would like to donate towards the good work of the SPCA, in the link below there is a donate button. We need your support, we need your contributions to be able to help animals. Thank you for your support, thank you for caring about animals, and we will give an update on this story later next week. Thank you so much for caring, and thank you for your support and watching.
Gaan nou klam ook.
Ik